seafood salad and dressing. Objectives. As a result of this lesson, you will be able to prepare and cook ingredients for a salad. Adapt various garnishes that go well with the salad. Provide a matching sauce for a salad. Before beginning, check if all the requested appliances and ingredients are ready. If any equipment and ingredients is missing or different, you may ask the organizers for a change or supplement. Today's dish is a seafood salad and its dressing. Once you have checked the ingredients, wash them and arrange them on the table. Today, we will prepare the ingredients and cook the main dish at the same time. Prepare the avocado to make an avocado mousse. Cut the avocado in half and remove the seed. If there's a seed in the avocado, remove the seeds while preparing. Then, wrap the avocado in an aluminum foil and bake it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the oven depends on the ripeness of an avocado, but don't bake it for too long. At the same time, work on the orange puree. Boil the water in the pot and cut lemon and orange. When the water boils, poach the lemon and orange. To remove the bitter taste from an orange puree, poach the orange several times. Now, start working on the tomato gummies. Small dice the paprika. Cut the tomato and put it in a blender. Prepare the shrimps. When preparing the shrimps, devein the shrimps clean with small tools like a pincette. If you have other seafood as ingredients, prepare them accordingly. Back to the orange puree. Wash the orange and lemon once again, and boil them again. Next, mince the tomato with sugar and salt in the blender. Move the minced tomato juice to the pot to boil it again. Once the tomato juice is boiled, the granules will be separated evenly, enhancing the transparency of the gummies. Let the gelatin soak and melt the soaked gelatin in tomato juice. Poach the prepared shrimps and wash them. Filter the boiled tomato juice in a chinois. While tomato juice is cooling down, cut the carrot in Parisienne. Feel free to adopt other cutting methods to shape. Back to the shrimp tomato gummies. Small dice the poached shrimps. Pour shrimp, paprika, and tomato gummies to a bowl. Mix them well and coagulate them in a mold. To poach the Carrot Parisienne, pre-boil the salted water. The reason why we salt the water is to balance the saltiness between vegetables. So, do not forget this procedure. Add 10 grams of salt to the liter of water. Now, we will poach the ingredients multiple times for a puree. Add some sugar and keep poaching them. Now, let's work on the lace tuile. Measure the white egg, sugar powder, and flour. Put them in a bowl and blend them. Today, we chose the white eggs, sugar powder, and flour. But if you wish to make a difference, add other ingredients like an orange powder to have your unique color, shape, or texture. In the competition, be creative as much as you can with your dish. Put the dough in a piping bag. Poach the Carrot Parisienne. Remove the baked avocado from the oven. Peel the baked avocado and sieve it. Scoop out the Carrot Parisienne and keep them in a container. Stir the avocado as it gets sieved. Blend salt, sugar, and white pepper. Add lemon juice as well. Once the avocado mousse is complete, put it in a piping bag. Time to make the mashed sweet potato. We need to bake a sweet potato in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure that the middle of the sweet potato is fully cooked. Once the sweet potatoes are cooked, remove them from the oven. Unwrap and peel them. Have them peeled and sieved. Mince the filtered sweet potato with some salt in a blender. Once the mashed sweet potato is complete, store it in a piping bag. Now, move on to the lace tuiles. Fill the molds with the lace tuile dough. And bake them in an oven at 150 Celsius for 5 minutes. If the dough is thicker, it might take a longer time to bake. In the meantime, mince the fully cooked orange puree in a blender and store it separately. Store orange puree, avocado mousse, and mashed potato cool in the fridge. Check if lace tuile is baked well and let it cool for a while. Butter the pan and stir fry the Carrot Parisienne. And store them separately. Take the avocado mousse and mashed sweet potato out of the fridge and prepare them for the plating. Put orange puree in a piping bag. Once the lace tuile is cooled down, detach the paper foil. Now it's time to plate. Put silicone mold on a plate and spread the avocado mousse. Then, remove the mold. Decorate with orange puree. This orange puree goes right under the main dish because it goes very well with seafood. That is because it removes the bad odor of the seafood. Like today's sea bass and orange puree, make the sauce and garnish that go well with the main dish. Decorate with avocado mousse with the shape of your choice. Put the coagulated shrimp tomato gummies wherever you want. And add Carrot Parisienne to decorate. Put some apple mint on them. Decorate the shrimp tomato gummies with orange puree. And finish it by putting on the lace tuile. Check if there is nothing wrong with the plating, and today's dish is complete.